Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious kale salad with quinoa. First, let's prepare our quinoa. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water, then combine it with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. This ensures your quinoa is perfectly fluffy and ready for the salad. Next, we'll prepare the star of our salad, the kale. Wash 1 bunch of fresh kale thoroughly and remove any tough stems. Then, chop the kale into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. Now for the secret to tender kale. Massage it gently with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt for a few minutes. This breaks down the fibers, making it much more enjoyable. Now, let's create a vibrant and zesty dressing to tie everything together. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 clove of minced garlic for a delightful kick. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. This dressing is simple yet incredibly flavorful. With all our components ready, it's time to assemble our amazing kale and quinoa salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, the beautifully massaged kale, and your freshly made lemon dressing. Toss everything gently until all the ingredients are evenly coated. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some toasted nuts or dried cranberries. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.